Realme GT7 Pro, the world's first smartphone with a powerful Snapdragon Elite chip. Let's dive in. The box is clean, sleek, and minimal. Inside, you have the essentials: phone, charging brick, USB-C cable, and a slim case. The Realme GT7 Pro. The first impression: premium design, glossy finish, and smooth curved edges. And look at this display. 6.8 inches, 144 Hz refresh rate, ultra-responsive, and vibrant colors for an immersive experience. The real power lies inside. With the Snapdragon Elite chip, expect top-notch gaming, multitasking, and AI-powered efficiency like never before.